Hey, all right. So I'm really excited to show you where the app's at and kind of some of the increments forward on this. So here we're at the dashboard with the lists. We're going to go into the Soilizer and go to our map. And we still on the left we have our locations, and we have soil samples. So right here in the soil samples, you can see we've got inches like 1 inch, 3.5, 5.5. So this is the beginning of the depth. We can kind of filter it out. So if we look at the location, this is like where the device has gone. So it went over to this field, and we're going to go take a look and see what this field looks like. So here we are, and we're going to go over to soil samples so we can see all the samples. And this is where we went out and we got some readings. So over here, you can see 1 inch is selected. So these are the forces at 1 inch. This is forces at 3.5 inches deep, and you can see the values change. And then this is at 5.5 inches, so it allows you to see um, across the field, like at one depth. We can totally iterate on this. This is just the quickest way to get it so we can validate this because we still have to do some validation and testing. Um, so with this, you'll notice the analog is we still have voltage and not force. I'm working on some functionality where we can say calibrate this. So we say what's the resting millivolts. So let's say for us it's 2500. So we got 2500, and then you apply 50 pounds to the force gauge, and you read the millivolts. And we'll have this will be nice. You won't have to read voltage or anything. Just hit buttons. And now we've got the calibration curve. I don't have this saved down, but you save this, and then eventually, once it's done, this will be in feet or kilograms, I believe. Um, Still looking at that. We may have to do some because I know acceleration maybe in this as well. But this is just a gist, and this is actual real. This is I put the data in with SQL, but the data pipeline is set up so the Soilizer is grabbing these readings at 3 Hall sensors and then sending it off. So still a lot of work to do, but I think we are getting closer. And then yeah, so yeah, we'll talk more in the meeting. Later.